Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you the basic of using Mr. Rain mode. As you can see, I do some sculpting, some mesh moving, and a nice tunnel like this using the Mr. Rain mode. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the editor, create new project, select third person as template and hit create. Okay, now let's go here to edit. Let's search for this. Okay, enable proceed content slash framework. It's enabled by default and search for Mr. Rain. Enable it and restart it. Okay, fine. The editor is restarted. Now, you have to go new level. Select the basic level I just create. Delete this blue wall. After deleting the blue wall, no, view the landscape. Let's create new landscape here. Now, save all. Remain the project what you want and hit save. Okay, now let's go here to modeling tool and search for cylinder. Okay, rotate this cylinder 90 degrees. Okay, after rotating the cylinder, let's make it bigger. And now hit accept. Select this one and go here to the form. Okay, where is the model? Okay, blink out this one in model. Click play and hit accept. After that, press R, press W and press R to create copy. And after that, go here, make this one 0.1. 0.1. Go here, press R and make it like this. Now, what I want to do is to make the cat. Before we do that, we have to make it like this. Let's make it hard. Select one, first one and second one. Go here to Boolean and hit accept. Okay. Okay, as you can see, this first step. And now, let's move to the next step. Before we do that, we have to save all. Select this one and go browse asset. Name it unlocked. This one, and let's see this. The second one. And this one, one. After that, select this one like this. Go to content, move it here. Okay, my those tunnel is on this place. Now, let's go ahead. The mesh terrain, little rectangle. As you can see, it's not created once because we haven't word partition in it. What do you have? I have to go here to list, convert level, select my level. Okay, and hit OK. Okay, save selected. Start converting to word partition. Stick symbol. Of the partition. Okay, now Let's go here. Don't panic. Exchange. Okay, now let's with the size. 10 minus 5, 10 minus. And let accept. Okay, now press Ctrl and select all of them. And let's make some sculpting here. Once it's selected, I will go here, sculpt. Let's make some sculpting here. Okay, let's make the brush size. Okay. Okay, let's move this one here and make it like this. This is how to use our mystery. You can play what as you want. You can move any fragment you want. Okay, let's make it smooth. You can make it smooth like this. You can play it height here with height. And let's go this one. Slope arrow. But what's this slope arrow? Okay, then explode. After that, what I want to do is to save all, and let's go down here, cylinder sphere. Let's make our tunnel. Where is your boolean? This one. Click here and drag it, the boolean in this place. Okay, this is my boolean. Mouse is select, go here, set static mesh, and choose any mesh as you want. For me, I want to choose this tunnel. One click here and select like this. Press E to rotate it 90 degrees on this side and 90 degrees in the other side. After that, press R, press Ctrl T, R here, E to move it, R another time, and make the sculpting right here to make our tunnel. Okay, now what I want to do, where is my boolean modifier, static mesh. Okay, go here, not union, make it subtract. This takes some time to load. Okay, and let's see. This is my tunnel, as you can see. This is my sculpting, but there is an error. I don't know why this error. I think it's caused by the moving mesh. Anyway, this is how to make a tunnel inside a complex structure like this. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is all for this tutorial. I showed you the basic of using the mesh terrain mode with the sculpting, creating custom tunnel, and other things. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial.